Hello, guys. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. This is Sandeep Cole from LearnTech, and today's video I will explain you something very important as part of our operations. We all know that we manage dashboards, and there are certain dashboards which are basically very key for the management, and because they provide a very critical information to the management. So today I will show you that how we can create a CIO level dashboard using the flashboards in BMC Remedy. So you can see on my screen, you can see this beautiful dashboard which I have created. So we will see how to build this, and then how we can present it, and also what we will do, we will make this as an auto refresh dashboard where it will be like automatically it will reflect the current status of the your environment or your operations. So it will automatically refresh this page. So let's go and get started with it. Okay. So now let me go back to the developer studio. Okay. So now before you build a particular dashboard or a flashboard, so first of all you need a data. So what I have done, just for this example, I have this form where I have this three fields: country, status, and priority. So it will do, it will show me the status of tickets of each country. So you can say this is, suppose this is a request ID or a ticket ID, and this is the country, this is the status, and this is the priority. So you might know that in the real time scenarios, there also sometimes you have your operations spread across the globe. Then and you want to monitor the operations, you want to monitor the status of tickets across the globe, or as per different countries, so you want to manage it. So then the best way to manage it is through the dashboards. And here I will explain you that how it is done. Okay. So now let's suppose this is my data here, and I am I have built some dummy data to explain you this. First of all, let us see how we can build this beautiful CIO dashboards. Okay. So to start it with this dashboard, first of all you have to build a variable which is called, which you can go from here, and then you can build this flashboard variable. You have to right click it, you will create a new flashboard variable, and then you can use it. So let me open that variable I have created. Okay, this is the variable which I have created. So if I use this form, the one I showed you on screen before, then what I need to do, which operations I need to perform, whether it's a sum, average, minimum, maximum, or count. So currently I'm counting the number of tickets, so I use this count. Then you have to group, you have to mention that with which you want to group the parameters. So my grouping is based on country and based on priority. Okay. So it will group these tickets based on this. So this is simple thing. Now if you want to go in detail, you can also do a history collection. You can say collection interval, then it will collect the data. But currently will not do that. We will not be able to see it here because it's just a dummy presentation. But in real time scenarios, you can collect it. Okay. So I have created this flashboard variable. Then I will go to, I created one new flashboard, which is from here, right click and new flashboard. Then here you can select the type of the flashboard you want to display. It's a bar, line, pie. So for my dashboard I'm using this pie. So it depends on what type of dashboard or flashboard you want to build. Then the remaining parameters you can give. And here in the variables, you have to click on this add button, and you have to add this variable which you created earlier. Like I have created this country status variable and I have added it here. Okay, and this variable is by default it is gets enabled. So this is it. Now I have built my flashboard. Now how to present it in the on as on the screen like this. Okay, so we'll see that. Now what I did, I created one display only form. This is a display only form. I can go here in the forms, right click, create this new display only form. And on the display only form, what I have done, I have added one data visualization feed. So what happens with the data visualization field? If you will add this field, and then if you go to the properties, there you will be able to see, if you go drill down, sorry, if you go here, there is a option to select certain this module type which you want to present in the data visualization field. So you can say either present a report, flashboard, visualizer, free DVM, or chat. So currently I'm using flashboard, so I have selected flashboard, and then in the definition name it will give you the list of all the flashboards available in the system. So you can select your flashboard. So I have selected mine. Okay, that's it. So I have just created a data visualization field and then added that flashboard which I have created earlier here. Now, if you go save this and then go and open it in the browser, it will look like something like this. It will take the account, take the data from here, and then it will see. It will present it in the flashboard. Now, what I have done, there is one more thing. I have created this button. So if I click this button, refresh button, you know what it does? It refreshes the data on the flashboard. So we will see that. So on the if I click on this button, if I go back to the this, okay, just a minute. This is my active link. So I have created an active link. So now how to refresh this data in the data visualization field. The only thing you have to do, you have to just write a set field action, and then you have to set the data visualization field to the same field. What it does, it will automatically refresh the data visualization field, whatever data you have. So with that refresh button, I am doing it. Now let me do one thing. Let me show you how it will work. Suppose now currently this data is there, and then now we are getting more data on the backend form. So we will show you how it is updated. Now I have created some dummy data. I will import it using the import tool. Okay, so my data is imported now. Now if I go here, if I refresh it, you can see the data, it has changed because I imported some data. So if you go here, refresh it, so you can see the data which I imported here now is presented in the dashboard. Now this is just a basic example of dashboard. Now if you want to automatically refresh this dashboard without any intervention, currently I clicked on this refresh button, so that's why it got refreshed. So the best way of doing it is to use the same active link which I have used. Currently it is working on a button, so you just have to put it on interval. You say 3, so every 3 seconds. Now let me go here, let me flush the cache. Let me again go here, then let me flush the cache. Okay, I have flushed the cache. Now when we will go here, refresh this. So let this load. So normally, it can be used to present, to create a dashboards or flashboards, and then you can have multiple dashboards, which will be, you can use workflows to set them in order. Let's suppose this is initially displayed. Currently, you can see it is being refreshed from the active link which I have written. Go here in the log. Yeah, it's being, it's the log. It shows event start interval 30 seconds. So what it is doing, it is refreshing the dashboard automatically. So now with here, if I go, let me do one thing. Let me delete the data. It is refreshing it. So we will delete the data. Here it is. So I'm not doing any changes here. It is automatically refreshing it. Okay. So let me go here. Let me, okay, select all, delete and delete. I go here. You can see the flashboard has automatically changed. I did not refresh it. Okay. Now again, if I import the data, automatically it has updated the flashboards. So now what you can do, you can create multiple dashboards and then you can make them visible and hide them. Let's suppose I have 10 flashboards where I will, in one dashboard I will present the data as per each country. Then on another dashboard I will present data for a particular country. Similarly, I will have multiple waves. One, I will have bar charts, I will have this pie charts, or I will have some other trend data in a line chart. So I can present it on the same form, and then I can make this form automatically refresh itself, and this can be then presented in any knock or any other CIO's cabin in a screen where it will be able to see the status of tickets from a particular region. So if suppose there is a critical case in somewhere happening in a particular country and the count is more, then he can look into that particular area or a country and see if there are any major issues there which he has to address. So with this he will have a pictorial view of all the operation which is happening across globe. You can create multiple charts, and these multiple charts can be presented in different way, and you can use the same active link. It's quite simple. You can use the same active link, this one, auto refresh it. Just you can hide one, you can create two three data visualization fields, or you can change the flashboard which is presented here. You can change the flashboard also on this. You can create multiple flashboards and then present them in after every 15 minutes interval, or every 10 minutes of interval. You can change it and then you can show it to the CIO or any person who is concerned about this particular thing. So this is just a simple example of creating an a beautiful presentation of operational data to the either to the CIO, or you can use it in your operations also. Your operation lead can also use it for his day-to-day activities. So this is it from my side. Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please press the like button, or you can subscribe to my channel for the notifications for my future videos. Thank you.